Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your Clubhouse app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you here to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on dark mode here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on always in dark theme here. So you just click on it here, then automatically it's going to change with you here to dark mode. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.